The first thing that you do is you simply read the system. That's the first step. Right, so I'll write here, read and understand. Read and understand the given situation, okay? So I'll say the given system. That's the first thing. Now the second step, after reading and understand, try to make a sketch of what is what is in the system. That's the next step. So try to make a sketch of the system, okay? After making the sketch of the system, okay, then what you need to do now is you need to try and think about how you are going to carry out some experiments in order for you to achieve your objective, okay? So remember that conceptual model is all about what you think and what you understand about the given system. Right, so here the next thing is how you think, okay? The model is going to be used. Remember that it is going to be used for simulation study. This is another problem that I've seen.
Okay, fine.
The problem is that students don't realize that the modeling that we are doing here, we are trying to create a model that will allow us to do a simulation study, okay? Then if I were to read this, what I'll do is I'll try to go through these steps. So here normally, here, this is actually linked to, you need to identify if it is not given, like in this problem, identify the objective. If the objective is given, it becomes very easy.
Okay, fine.
Okay? Right, so what I'll do is now if you go to this system, now don't try to think that you draw the conceptual model the first time and it is right. Remember that you need to go through a number of iterations until you come to the conceptual model.
Okay.
Right, so you're saying that a batch manufacturing process consists of a machine that processes jobs in batches of 3 units. Okay? The manufacturing process starts only when there are 3 or more jobs in the buffer in front of the machine. Otherwise, the machine stays idle until the batch is completed. Assume that the job interarrival times are uniformly distributed between 2 and 8 hours, and the batch service times are uniformly distributed between 5 and 15 hours. Okay? Now, if you want to develop, the first question says develop a conceptual model of the system described above. The first thing that you need to understand, the development of this conceptual model should be done in iterations or in a number of steps. You cannot just get the correct model in one step. And this is what most of the students have been trying to do. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I will say iteration number 1. Morning.